morning. Welcome to the Eye of Phoenix. Okay, this is Sunday, and normally all over the world, whether you're in India or anywhere else, everybody just goes out for a Sunday ride or a Sunday drive. So today we've decided to go for a short drive Sunday morning and go and have some breakfast, see some highways. Currently we are on the what's called the second Hooghly River Bridge, okay, there's some shooting going on, films happening. Okay, that's interesting. Did we see any stars out there?
No.
Oh, probably not. Okay, back we're on this bridge, and as soon as we cross this bridge there'll be another little stretch, and then after that we shall be on the highway, and we'll show you some lovely clips and give you a little bit more insight onto some of these roads so you can get a better understanding. So when you do come over to India, to Kolkata right now, so you guys can have a great time. We've now taken the fork between NH2 and NH6. This is a much better road. I mean, I personally like this road much better because this is much smoother and goes much better. We are sort of, I think in front it's called the Dulagar checkpost that we're coming up to. We'll show you the checkpost when we get there. But till then, just enjoy the video. It's absolutely fantastic, this road. This is what I like about this road, but I'm confused about the name of this road. It's called the NH6 or the NH16. The NH stands for National Highway. Some people call it 6, some people call it 16. However, this connects up to pretty much a lot of the parts of India. So you can go to down south all the way to Chennai, or you can go all the way to Mumbai, and I believe there's another road which can take you up to the hills and probably again to Delhi also. I mean, just look at this road. It's absolutely fantastic. Straight, traffic free, smooth. And you can't get better than this, can you?
We are now crossing the Rupnarayan Bridge. This is the Rupnarayan River, and it starts somewhere, I think, Purulia, and flows into the Hooghly River. I think more popularly it's known as the Kolaghat Bridge also. You can see the rail tracks across. And just after that, if you can see beyond the bridge and the trees, is the thermal power plant, which is the largest in the state. Provides electricity to us. It's just very, very beautiful.
The road to the left goes off towards it's called the Brighton of the East, Digha, and another sea beach, Mandarmani, and then Gopalpur on sea, and Orissa, and all sorts of places. Wonderful sea resorts. Now what we are going to do is we're going to do a bit of a U-turn and stop over at our breakfast place. Now we'll find the U-turn. I think we've missed one. We'll find the next one, and then we'll show you how to get into that place and what kind of food we eat there. We missed out, so now we've gone ahead a bit, probably just a few kilometers up and then back again, and then, well, we would have taken this right here, but anyway, we're going to take this left. There's a truck on the left, so just be careful, and we take the service road, and just probably 500-600 meters down is the famous Sher-e Punjab. It's the food is absolutely fantastic. But there are plenty of restaurants, as you can see here. But okay, they're all called hotels, but they're actually not hotels. They're actually restaurants. But it's just an Indian thing saying hotel. But Sher Punjab is actually called a dhaba now. The dhaba means that it's effectively a roadside place. But this place is actually quite upmarket. It's got air-conditioned places. It's got you can live there, you can stay there. Actual hotel is there as well. And in about 5 seconds, we can show you Sher Punjab. And there it is, Sher Punjab. Now we find a parking space somewhere, and yeah, fresh naan bread and other exotic dishes.
So this is our food. I have a tandoori roti with butter, salad, which is a must for me, and we have a keema tadka naan and a butter naan for it.
After having that absolutely fantastic breakfast, we're back on the highway again and driving, just cruising across this wonderful road. Wow, how smooth is this road? And the traffic is quite less now, I mean much less compared to when we were going up to that location. However, it seems to be much less now. By the time we were at the restaurant, the crowd actually thinned out quite a bit. So this is actually the ideal way of spending a Sunday morning. Just nice, relaxing drive, chilled roads, good food, and fabulous highway. Hi guys, thanks a lot for watching the video. We've had the Sunday morning drive, we've had breakfast, had a sumptuous breakfast actually, and this is the last flyover that we are on. We should be home soon. And if you've liked the video, okay, somebody's reversing on the flyover, that's even better. Always expect the unexpected on Indian roads. This is absolutely classic. Anyway, back to the thing again. So yeah, so we're on the last leg here. Hope you guys have really enjoyed watching this video. We just wanted to show you the roads and the type of food you can get on the Indian roadside dhabas, as they call it, or eateries or restaurants. And my co-founder of IO Phoenix is of course going mental taking all the photographs. It's been lovely having her on the drive with us. She does talk a lot, but today she decided to talk very little. I don't know why. But once again, thank you very much for watching the video right to the end. Hope you like it. And please let us know if there's anything else you would like us to do.